Welcome. I'm Dr. Wendy Schofer, board certified pediatrician, lifestyle physician, national board certified health and wellness coach for whole families, and yes, improv comedian. I weave it all together as I specialize in helping parents create whole family health in their unique homes. So, in pediatric training, I learned about the critical role of play in normal child development. In practice, I found play is a potent neuroscience-backed tool for healing both adults and children from the stressors and the diagnoses that we live with each and every day. I invite you to join me for my SoMe Docs lecture called Play, the overlooked treatment modality to integrate into your clinic. You will learn about how play is not a diversion, but an active process of healing for stress-driven skin conditions and more. You will also learn about how utilizing play means welcoming it into your practice and life, not just your prescriptions. I can't wait to see you and hear how you want to use the healing powers of play in your practice.